friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen mini tacos in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of frozen mini tacos. No need to defrost. The air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. So let me open up a package of frozen mini tacos. Now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I will put frozen mini tacos in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the mini tacos. Look at that, they're so nicely browned. They look amazing. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Do you hear how they're so crunchy? Perfect crispy little tacos. So crispy. Now let's see what's inside. See, the inside is perfectly cooked and the outside is so crispy. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So delicious. You're going to love cooking mini tacos in the air fryer. This is perfect for it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!